2, 1. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And today we're going to be hunting the legendary wolf. Yes, I don't know where it is exactly, so probably up there somewhere. It's up in the Grizzlies, probably like here. So you might want to head there. How do I know? As we check our legendary map, obviously. Yeah, our map. Maps. There it is. If you look in here, you see that the wolf is on the other side of the river. Okay, that makes more sense. Okay, hold on. On the other side of the river. Where's the river? This river. So it's not there, it's like somewhere. Where did I hunt the legendary bear? So yeah, it's on the other side of the river. Somewhere like Rideau Rock. You'll be wanted dead or alive here. So where's the closest place? Valentine. How do you get to Valentine? Of course. You know where. By the way, any of you who are new to the channel, hello, welcome to the channel. Please subscribe, hit that notification button, and please leave a like for the next video. For the next like goal that we make, let's probably try to reach around, let's say 6 this time. Let's raise it up by 1. So we're gonna be heading to the spot. Might take a while to get there. So I'm hunting legendary wolf because I want to see. This time, instead of seeing the me ending it without even seeing it. Oh yeah, by the way, from last episode, not there. From last episode, remember when I hunted the deer? Well, it became successful. And the buck antler trinket. Yep. Got that. Luckily. By the way, if you're wondering why I have a new horse, I'll tell you that next video. I'm not going to tell you this video. I'll tell you next video. And, yeah, changed my outfit. Okay. Probably want to go around here. Check around Widow Rock, probably. Yeah, I bet it's like in this part of the land right there. That's where we're gonna probably get the wolf. Now, what was that? Oh, I bet it was wolf. Wolves are already after me before I even get to the spot. Okay, so this time I'm gonna use my carbine repeater for this. Probably for a backup, not pump, double barrel. Just in case if things go wrong too bad. It would be way better. So, let's see. Now, we're almost there. By the way, the white horse is the 3rd best, the white Ibrahim, whatever it's called. This black one is the 2nd best. The white one was 3rd best. I don't know what the 1st best is, but I hear you get it at the end of the game. I hope it's actually worth it to get it. Okay, hold on. I need to try something. Okay.
Easy there.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeehaw.
You're alright, boy. You're okay, boy.
By the way, new saddle. It's way better than the old one. All you have to do is get perfect panther pelt. That's all you have to do. That easy. And then head to a trapper, sell it, then look for on saddles. Go find the panther saddle,
Alright, boy.
and you get it. It's very good. Way better than my other one.
Yeah.
Recommend trying to get it. I'll tell you the 2 places where to get it. And for these 2 places, you're going to have to get predator baits. So it's here, in this area right here. This huge area right here. And the second spot, I haven't found one there yet, but I've got one down here. This might be your best shot of getting something right here. But also you could get one from right here, which is harder, but it's closer if you're in St. Denis. But if you're at like Braithwaite Manor for some reason, just come down here for the best. By the way, put like panther bait like somewhere like here, so then you can actually get it. Now, where was I? Oh yeah, so we're super close, almost there. Already explaining other things besides the topic of the wolf. Saying horse. There's the bridge. There's a bridge. There is a bridge. Okay. Like, that's where some people die over there, and oh my. You actually have to go through? Please don't tell me you have to swim. What the heck? What do they do to these horses? Please say I'm near. I'm pretty sure I got it in the right spot, right? Legendary animal hunting grounds yet? Just gonna ride around until it says so in the top left corner. Hold on, I need to recheck my map real quick. Okay, let's see, so it's somewhere right there, like... More like up there. Do I have to literally go around again? Let's go. I'm gonna let my horse cool down. I don't know what this horse does to benefit anything. I have a bear claw. I need to figure out what that does. So let's try to get up to the spot marked. Fort Wallace is like somewhere right there. Right there. Okay, let's go slow until my horse is good. It's good. Okay, let's go. I have my golden shotgun and my golden rifle with me. What is this? Oh, I thought those were drawings. Okay. Strange. They said. Okay, so there's Fort Wallace. I don't know if that's a real place or not, but it's a fort. Yep, fort. Saying, why is there a fort in rdr2? I don't know either, buddy. I don't know. Fort Wallace. I think I've heard that name somewhere. Oh no. But continuing, we need to get to the spots I marked. Pretty sure it's up there. Come on, horse, you got this. Just need to head up this way. Soaking right now. turn here. Dang, there's an actual way to get up there. Rockstar does plan out everything. Really. Okay. So there's an actual pathway to get up there, here. This hill.
Whoa, whoa.
Could probably just like ride around to figure out where it is.
Yeah. Easy.
Hold on just a sec. Let me check this real quick. I don't know where's... No. Maybe I'll be going legendary moose. I'll definitely make a video. But for right now, I'll see a fork, so it could have over here. So let's keep traveling like over here or something. Nothing on the back. Okay, let's put this away. The wolf is back there. Okay. Oh, no way. I just found it. No way. Dude. Don't go down there. Okay, that's bad. Hold on. This is inspect.
Looks like something.
Wolf dung. Yep.
Trail's down here.
So which way does it lead? That way. Okay. Hold on, let me take away the mark. Oh my gosh, it shows it on the mini map. Super funny. Okay. Dang, I wonder if I have to really track it. Oh, look. The marking of it? No way. I would have never guessed it was over here. Oh man. There. It's over there. Nope, they don't tell you where it is. It tells lies. Inspect this fur. It's definitely wolf fur. Okay, just head straight this way. Until I reach that rock right there. Oh no, never mind, dead animal. Carcass, yep. Wait, is that... What kind of thing is that? Is that like a human? It's gross. I mean, like, what kind of wolf eats humans? Hold on, this could be the final one. So if it is, I gotta be silent. Oh, there it is. Oh, just bad situation. Well, nice. You got it, boys. Yes, it's raining. Come here. Boy, you better come here. Stay. Gonna put this legendary wolf armor. Where am I going? Honestly. Okay, there. Hold on, does this actually give you health though? I just, like, do this. No, it wastes my stamina. That's what it did. That would have been a nice little feature if, if Rockstar added that. Okay, let's take this wolf. It attacks me first. By the way, those of you who like wolves, it attacks me first. Self-defense mechanism. Shotgun. Okay. That's what farmers use. If you're a farmer, use some pump shotguns. So, I think it's closer to go there, and then head to like Saint Denis. Yeah, I think that's it. Okay. I have no bounty in New Hanover. Yeah, I have 2 bounties here and here. This is the perfect place then. Sorry if my voice sounds crummy. Just like keep my voice up right now. And so once wolf back where it needs to be, instead of butcher's thing, money thing that with the wolf skin. What did I get from that though? With the hold on, let me get into my shack. Recents. Used in crafting. Okay, yeah, it's the heart. So I have $227. Yes, I disadvantaged because I had to rebuy this horse base once. So huh. Okay. Going up a hill, that's easy. Oh no, I better not fall down. Dude, if I die, I'm gonna be so angry. I can barely see. Which is why there's such thing as a lantern. Next video, I might want to cut out some things so then the video could be faster, but for now, I'm just gonna leave it as it be. Oh no. That better not have been a wolf right there. No, the legendary wolf! Well, self-defense. Yeah, this is a pretty cool feature. They put the lantern on your, like, thing right there, so then you don't have to lose the light. It's very useful. And then I can just put it back on my hand, and let's go. Self-defense. Had to do that for some good reason. Couldn't trust them. Lumbago. Oh, whoops. Lantern. Well, I can see right now, but as soon as I need my lantern, I'll take it out. Like this. Boop. Boop. Wonder how this wolf, how much money this wolf is going to be. Wonder if it's going to be a lot of money or not. I have a legit meat thing in a forest. Wolves could just come up and eat its own kinds. That would be gross. Not like to watch it. I'd like to leave. That's what I was going to say, but then I thought it was just way to say it. Bad grammar. That's what I think. But bad grammar. Okay. This person's going fast too. Almost had another horse crash. Remember with the white horse? Last episode. Yeah. That was bad.
Look out!
Hold on. Take a little detour. No. I don't want to go with him.
Welcome. What I give for a horse as fine as that?
I'm gonna pick up the legendary wolf on my shoulders. Son.
What you got
I'd like to sell this thing. You don't accept the wolves? Okay. That makes sense. 100% makes sense. I wonder what I can make out of the legendary wolf fur. Okay, so everything I think stays on. I know about the skin, but I don't know about the carcass. So if the carcass gone, I don't care. And if I know the fur will stay, but I don't know about the body itself. So if it disappears, I learn my lesson. We'll have to do that with the mish. So I'll get on top of here. Stop. Walk inside like a super dramatic man. Train tickets to Saint Denis, please.
Here.
Thank you. You're all the way over there, sir. Can I say that to you so far? Could you teleport the train tickets straight to me? No. Does that car? When were cars invented? Because whoever invented the car ruined the dream of riding horses everywhere. It's great transportation. Anyways. There's air conditioning, so on hot days or cold days, you're not so hot or cold. You don't have to be out in the sun. You can just drive a car. You don't have to wait in ages just to get to a place. You just drive there, fly an airplane there. It's easy. Boats are like the only way to your country. It takes forever. Bet. Okay. On the whatever you call this.
Okay, boy.
It's got past. I'm gonna mark where the trapper is. What? No, I'm not jumping. I'm not gonna just go to the train.
Whoa, boy, easy
You've never seen a train. You have a bad chance.
now. You're okay, boy.
The sports better calm down. Dude, this horse, boy. This horse, calm down. Yeah, calm down. Okay. So I should be going in 3, 2, 1, go.
Time to go now.
I know. I know. Going.
Hey, move it!
Yeah, move. If that's a me, say Arthur. Now, if there's a almost missed it. Hey, you want to hear this? Next thing you know, you're going to be stealing my wolf, my dog. No, I'm not. talking to him.
Please, sir, will you help the poor?
Not now. Okay. Morning. Okay, I think it's been great so far. Successfully hunted the... Now I'm going to sell it.
Here we go. Hello.
Okay, so what? Oh, but not yet. Hold on. I need to sell my stuff first. Okay.
Boy, the
Woo!
things I can make with this. Okay, ran into a glut of these, did you?
Okay, now I can
Been a
buy
pleasure doing business.
Quality hide makes the hardiest clothes
mid
their own.
sets.
Don't doubt it.
Kind of here.
A lot of folk hunt,
Okay.
but not so many know their way around a needle and thread. It's good business, I'm telling you.
What else could I? Oh, okay, what else could I get?
Every one of my
That
garments
Bronco
is a little different, because every pelt
No,
is a little
it's fine.
different. You'll find them nowhere else.
My favorite is the